I am excited about Brandon Blackwood. Here's my first unboxing of one of his bags. I'll tell you a little bit about the designer. Ligia is also joining me, and we're giving our first impression on the bag and how we would wear it. I want to share with you my bag of the day. It is the Coach Kislock 27 in the straw multicolor. And if you want to know how it wore, what fits in it, the pros and cons of this bag, let me know down below and I will do a video on it. Okay, you guys, let's get this party started. Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Roxana and welcome to my neck of the woods. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, I do videos on handbags. For the last few videos, Ligia, my friend, has been joining me. I had a number of boxes that I needed to unbox, and she was very curious to see what I got. My last video, if you haven't seen it, I got my first Florentine leather from Dooney & Bourke. It's their pretty popular satchel. It's in a navy color. If you want more details on it, you can watch my last video. And Ligia, I think, was pretty impressed with this bag herself.
I like this bag.
Yeah.
I've never heard of this brand. Okay, Brandon Blackwood, New York.
Okay. So if you watch any YouTube videos on handbags, you probably already heard of this brand. It is Brandon Blackwell. I got it from Autumn's channel. She had a vlog sale and I was super excited to try this bag out. He makes some really cool bags, right? Autumn, she loves the color green. Looking at his site, it looks like he has some bags that are over $1,000. I didn't realize that. But he does have bags that are a bit more affordable. I like how he uses color in his bags. I think that his bags can really make an outfit stand out. They tend to be more for special occasion. However, in this day and age, you can wear special occasion bags every day. The sale section, it looks like he has more winter bags because it makes sense since now we're in spring. And I didn't realize just how cool his trunks are. Just briefly looking at his trunks are so cool and a lot more affordable than Louis Vuitton. Now, of course, Louis Vuitton's trunks look very different than his, but to tell you the truth, I like his better. First of all, I like his price point a lot better. And oh my gosh, look at this bag. This bag is so cool. The plaid, I think that's awesome. With a solid color dress, like, oh man, that can really make the outfit stand out. That's for sure. And I paid $200 for this bag. Wait till you see this.
It's like an army green.
Yeah.
Like a camouflage green.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
That's pretty, yeah.
And then it has the bamboo clasp. It has the feet on the bottom. And I just love the color. It's this army olive green.
It says his name on the bamboo.
On the clasp. This is so pretty. So it has a strap that hopefully can go crossbody on me. And then what else does it have inside? It has his name inside of there. It has a zip pocket on the back. It has a slip pocket here in the front. So it looks pretty roomy.
It looks like it has a strap that connects to keep its shape. Like it connects both sides to each other to keep it...
I see.
Yeah.
So it keeps the pleats. What Ligia and I are trying to say is that the straps inside the bag, it helps keeps the pleats and the shape of the bag nice and tight.
Yeah, I think that's a cute bag too.
Yeah, so it does have an adjustable strap, but I think this is long enough for me to have it cross.
I think definitely.
Yeah. This is cool. You know, to tell you the truth, I think I would like to wear this bag like this on the shoulder.
Okay.
You know? So,
cute.
Definitely more of a church bag, I think, you know? But this is the chain. Look how nice the chain is.
it's another strap.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I thought it was one of those leashes that you put your keys on. I like this a lot.
That makes it very versatile.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah. Let me see. So I can wear it handheld. I don't think I would wear this on the crook of my arm, but you can definitely, right? You can wear it on the crook of your arm. But this is cool. I do like this.
I would definitely push the envelope if it was my purse, because I would.
There you
this.
go. Can you see?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I think this is cool. I do like this one. How about this? Well, you know me and my charms. I would wear this like this too.
You would keep both straps on?
Yeah. The thing about it, about keeping both straps on, it
will make a lot more noise.
Yeah, which I don't mind, but it's gonna be hard opening it. It's not that difficult. Let's see.
And you can always open it by doing this.
That's true too. I like this a lot. I think this was a very good buy. Yeah, that is really cool. Way cool. I think this is so cool. I might have sent you a video of hers.
Probably.
She takes really good care of her bags. So if you get anything from her vlog, it's gonna be in excellent condition. So I looked at it a few days later. I said, if it's still available, then it's meant for me. So it was still available, therefore it was meant for me.
I mean, she keeps the feet covered with the covers.
You know what? Let me see these ones, I think these feet, no, they are part of the bag. Yeah.
No, this comes off, babe.
I didn't know if they're the type of feet that you add aftermarket, but they're not. They are part of the bag, that's for sure. And it says Brandon Blackwood right across here too. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe he's an African-American designer, but I'm not positive.
That's cool.
According to this article written by Richard Benton in 2021, Brandon Blackwell is half Japanese and half Jamaican. He was raised in New York City, which, in my opinion, that's the capital of the world when it comes to fashion industry. And what I found interesting about him is that he listened to the people. What do I mean? Apparently in 2019, he would have his girlfriend take the bags out to the clubs, this is pre-pandemic, and get reaction and comments on the bags. Initially, he was designing in mutual colors, like, I'm thinking like browns, beige, the neutral colors. And the comments came back that he should do bright colors, and that's what he did. I didn't realize that he didn't do bright colors from the very beginning. So he listened to what the customers wanted and gave them what the customers wanted. Now, apparently Kim Kardashian took note of his designs, and that is what brought him to the scene.
I like this. I'm gonna have to figure out what to wear with this, but I'm sure it won't be that hard.
Camouflage pants.
I think they're out though.
No, they're back in.
No way, really?
Yes, they had them in
God.
Germany when I went there over Christmas.
Yeah.
All the stores had camouflage pants. And I went back to like the 1980s or 1990s or whatever it was in. And I got a pair.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, yeah, that would definitely go. But this is too dressy for a camouflage, don't you think?
Not crossbody.
No, not crossbody. You're right. And if you take the chain off, then it doesn't make it that dressy.
Right. True.
Yeah, I like this a lot. I'm going to have to figure out when to wear it and how to wear it.
I think we're out of boxes.
We are.
We're out of boxes to unbox.
This was my last box to unbox. Do I have any more coming up? I don't. I do have another Dooney & Berg that I have to show on video, but I'm gonna do a more detailed video sometime in the future where I have 3 Dooney & Berg bags that are this style, this satchel style, and I'm sure I'm gonna talk about each one individually and how they're different from one another. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. So if any of this type of content,
That was a good one.
if any of this type of content is your vibe, by all means, please subscribe. And I have a feeling we're about to go on a cruise, so I have a feeling we're gonna probably talk about bags on the cruise for sure.
More bags to come.
Yeah. Thanks, you guys.